Well, we're going to get things rolling. We're 18 minutes late, and we've got to stay on schedule. So we want to welcome you to the sale today. My name's Tim Abbott, and I'm pleased to have you here. We've got a huge crowd. An inch and a half of rain overnight might have caused a few problems for us, but at least nobody's haying. So I'm not complaining about the rain. So welcome to everybody. We've got a lot of cattle to sell, and we've got a roll today, so we're not going to spend a lot of time on things. We have update sheets, sale orders, and fly sheets on cattle that were added to the sale over here at the clerk's tables. And Brian will talk about the clerks. Yep, you always do. And the first thing I'd like to do is introduce Simone Lalonde from Blondin and Ryan Craswell from Crasdale Sales. They're my two partners on this adventure here today. And you'll get to see both of them, but if we'll introduce them both as they go. They're both eating donuts right now, which is what they've done most of the week. They haven't really done anything, but their wives have worked hard. So we're pleased to have their wives. While they finish their donuts, I want to introduce a couple other people. The people that own this farm that we're renting have been gracious hosts to let us have this to kick it off. And as you drive by the beautiful facility up the road, that is the farm of Mark St. Pierre and his family. And we are renting this facility from Mark and Mandy and the boys and Megan. And they're all here somewhere in the crowd. I saw Mark somewhere, and Megan is here, and Bradley. I don't see any of them right now. There they are. Would you guys all stand up, because they are the hosts of this event, and they are gracious hosts, and we thank them for what they've done. Thank you, St. Pierre's. Kind of a fun event for Northern Vermont. Then I also want to introduce the most important people besides my family and my life right now are Chet and Renee Baker. And if they'll come into the middle of the ring, the whole reason that we, St. Jacobs, has gone into the adventure of having a dairy farm is because this young couple are